हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का सेशन उनके लिए है जो पीसीओडी से जूझ रहे हैं। पीसीओडी कैन कॉज हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस, इरेगुलर पीरियड्स, स्ट्रेस एंड वेट गेन। लेकिन आप ये सभी सिम्टम्स नेचुरली भी मैनेज कर सकते हो विद दिस सिंपल योगा पोजेस। सो ग्रैब योर मैट एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Starting with warm-up, neck rotations, 3 clockwise, and 3 anti-clockwise. Starting with shoulder rotations, 3 clockwise, and 3 anti-clockwise. Starting with side stretches, your right hand up, left hand on your tummy, stretch it up, bend sideways, and get up, release. Repeat it with your other side, left hand up, stretch it up, bend sideways, up, and release. We are going to repeat this for 3 times. Inhale up, exhale down, release. Inhale up, exhale down, and release. Again, inhale up, exhale down, and release. In up, exhale down, and release. The last stretches, you have to interlock your fingers, open up your back, tuck your chin in, hold it in 3, 2, 1, and release. Interlock your fingers, lift your chest up, drop your neck back, and release. Once again, we are going to repeat the same. Interlock your fingers, open up your back, tuck your chin in, release. 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 And release. So this was all about warm-up. Let's start with the poses now. The first pose is Cobra pose. For that, you have to lie down on your tummy, your hands to your chest line, lift your chest up, chin up, slightly bend your hands from your elbows and hold it in 3, 2, 1, exhale down. We are going to repeat this pose for 5 times. Again, inhale up, hold in 3, 2, 1, exhale down. Again, inhale up, hold, exhale down. In up, exhale down. In up, and exhale down. The next pose is Dhanurasana. For that, you have to lie down on your tummy. Hold both your ankles with both your hands. Lift your chest up, your thighs up, and hold in 3, 2, 1, and down. Again, we are going to repeat this pose for 5 times. Inhale up, exhale down. In up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. In up, and exhale down. The next is Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. उसके लिए आपको बैठना है. Bring both your feet together and for deeper stretch, slightly bend forward. आपको दोनों पैर अपने हाथों से पकड़ने हैं and slightly bend forward. Go down, hold and inhale up. Again, go down and up. Go down and up. Go down, up, down, up. The next pose is cat and cow stretch. For that, you have to come down on your knees, on your hands and आपको inhale up करना है. In cow pose, exhale, roll your back in into cat pose. Again, inhale up, exhale, inhale up, exhale, inhale up, exhale, inhale up, and exhale, roll your back into cat pose. So the next stretch is Balasana. Uske liye you have to come on your knees, stretch your hands forward, touch your forehead down and relax here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and again. Along with these poses, do try to practice 11 sets of Surya Namaskar, as Surya Namaskar helps in improving your hormonal imbalance और जिसकी वजह से आप अपना वेट भी मैनेज कर पाओगे. अगर आपने अभी तक चेक नहीं की है तो मैंने सूर्य नमस्कार की वीडियो अपने YouTube चैनल पे अपलोड की है. यू कैन चेक आउट दैट वीडियो. और इन सब के साथ यू ऑल्सो हैव टू डू अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. एज अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम it helps in managing your hormonal imbalance and the most important of all, it calms your mind. Also जिसकी वजह से आपकी stress level reduce हो सकती है. So let's practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For that, you have to sit straight. Your back should be erect. You have to inhale from your right nostril. Hold. Exhale from your left. Once you exhale from your left, inhale from your left, hold, exhale from your right. Okay, let's practice it together. तो अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम आपको डेली एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट्स प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. विद टाइम ग्रेजुअली यू कैन इंक्रीज इट अप टू 10 मिनट्स to 15 minutes. Okay, and don't forget to go in Shavasana. Turn your left side. Take support of your hand. Get up and be seated. Along with these poses, do try to maintain a healthy lifestyle and stay active. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye. See you next video.